Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here, and today's video is gonna be the I Challenge You episode number 2, and today's challenge is gonna be the 6 step. Alright, so like always, before I start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload new video, you will know. Now I'm gonna do the 6 step, and we're gonna see how many rounds that I can do, and then you're gonna take this challenge and see how many rounds that you can do as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's get it started. That's it guys, I think I did around 26 steps. So it's your turn to take this challenge, but make sure when you do the 6 step, you want to do it in the perfect form, alright? You don't want to have 106 steps but in the bad form. That's not the purpose of this video. So this video is not only for the round, but you also make sure you have a good form, okay? And that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.